Hello my friends, I'm glad to see you on my channel again. Today I would like to share with you the process of my another painting, Russian Summer. And it wasn't my own idea of this painting. I took this idea from another artist, Victor Yushkevich. I like his video, it's really helpful for beginners, for self-taught artists like me. But today I decided to share my video of painting this picture with you, and I hope you will like it. So here you will see the full process of painting this picture, and you can stop the video if you need it, and you can try to repeat this painting. So take your time. I used acrylic paints in this work and canvas on board. Of course, you can use any other materials. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on my channel, and bye for now.